So now we've prepared our filtering. First filtering, we just used one coffee filter. And the reason for this is there's a lot of particulate matter in the first filtering, impurities in the aluminum foil or wherever it comes from. But the first time we filter, we need just one coffee filter. We will subsequently go through more a double filtering the other times that we do it. But this is the first time, so this is the first time filtering this solution. So we wanted to go fairly through the filter at this filtering. Each filtering it gets clearer and clearer. We want it as clear as water. So you can see that there is some particulate matter in the coffee filter at this time. And again, this is 10 3/4 ounces of water, sodium hydroxide, and aluminum, called hydrated aluminum by the old cylinder makers, such as Jonas Ellsworth, who is Edison's chemist, and others on the Columbia and Edison team. The first filter, we just get a rudimentary amount of particulate matter so that our next filterings go fairly quickly. We want to get the big particles in this particular filtering, then we towards the end use 3 filters at the last to make sure it's nice and clear. Each time that we change our bottles, the bottle gets rinsed with distilled water, which is always the best cleaner to make a pure environment for our liquid to go. Incidentally, the water we use is distilled water also. We just have very little left. There is particulate matter in the filter. This is the reason why we use just one filter at this time. You can see the particulate matter in the filter. And no, that's not all the aluminum. It's probably, this aluminum is probably not pure. There are probably other things in the aluminum. So only really chemical analysis will actually show our true amount of aluminum content. But there's just a little bit left there, and we'll then give it a second filtering.